z depends on this omega and also this gamma z, right? This gamma z. Okay, and then after this, you can use this calculate value. Okay, and then the s. Okay, the s is depends on omega and lambda, right? The s here depends on this and this. So this value and this value will give you this value. Okay, this value and this value will give you this value. This and this will give you this. Okay, will give you this. Okay, and after this p, okay, so this p depends on omega, phi, gamma, and phi. So this p, these three values of p will give you this. These three values will give you this, and this will give you this. So your programming, once finished the calculation for one values of omega, it will jump to another value, for example, 0.02, right? So you proceed. Okay, do you understand the concept?
Yes, Doctor. Okay.
Okay, so the important programming that you use here is root finding. Basically, is this. Basically, is this equation. Once you solve this by choosing you set the value of omega. This you have to set value. This you have to set value. You choose the value yourself. Z also you choose by yourself. Then you can calculate the gamma z or lambda z by using this equation. So this is the most important. Okay, this is the most important. Okay, so that's why I put this column. So usually when you have this, when you choose this this omega, you can calculate a few or maybe one, maybe two, or maybe three. Why like this? Because of you look at this picture. Okay, you can have only one value of p or one value of gamma. Okay, one value. When you at this stage, how many value? 1, 2, 3, right? Am I right? So at this frequency, this is not frequency. When the frequency is in this range, you have three values. When frequency is high here, then you have go back to one value. Okay.
Okay, Doctor.
Okay, I hope that my comments here helpful.
Very helpful, Doctor.
So this will help you to expect you. I mean, you help you your expectation whether your calculation is okay or not. So mainly you have to set the value of constant, all this constant, and the important thing is omega. Okay. So once you solve this, So once you solve this, then you can further solve this, and you can further solve this. Okay, according to this and this. Here is derivative. Okay, so that's why you have to work out the mathematics of the derivative. This prime is derivative. This pi also derivative. Okay, right? Because from here you can find your gamma z already. You take the derivative first. Mathematically, you have to take derivative first. This also you have to take derivative. Because your s contain the derivative. This and this. Okay? So you still have to work out the mathematics first, the derivative. So if you do not take the E cross B yet, but you can already take the derivative and put it into S. Otherwise, you cannot calculate S. It depends on the prime. Okay, and it is like this. Okay, so do you have any other question?
No, Doctor.
So, if like this, I'll see you again next week. Next week, is it possible to show me your derivative of this equation? And
Sure,
this,
doctor.
show me the derivative.
Okay,
Even though it is complicated, square or something like this, but you still can take the derivative.
okay, doctor.
You know the rule how to take derivative of complicated terms like this.
Yeah.
So if you have nothing, then I will stop sharing.
Okay, then.
And I
Okay,
will,
doctor.
yeah, I'll see you again next week.
Okay.
All right. So stop.